okusherura akaruru k'omwebembezi w'ihanga kuri kugumizamu General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni n'obushagiki yaburondera omu district ya Budaka hamwe na Kibuku. Abayo bamusiima habw'obuheereza kandi bamushaba okusya amashanyarazi na munonga omugombora yakatira mugiti hamwe na nansanga.
Immunizations ebairenga immunization programs ejabirenga jabo maiso omu bintu by'owoomi kitu yambire kinene ino okuoneka nti olunaku lwatya ntuula abaana balina emiralama tuula abaana abagongo baire.
But the NRM has registered tremendous peace and stability in our country. We remember that between the years of 1962 to 1986, Uganda had changed 9 presidents. But Uganda, under the leadership of His Excellency General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, we have seen a stable country, a peaceful country for the last 39 years, and we are still counting.
President Museveni nagira ngo baza kwombeka amarwaro hamwe no kutungura agagari ha rurengo rwa Health Center ya kabiri agarumu kakori kamonkori ikiki kachomo hamwe na kabuna kandi hamwe no kutungura Budaka Health Center ya kana ku birwaro rya district. Ugu nagira ngo bwahate bicweka 50 harigana by'enguto mu cyange kibahereze kuzikora kandi nibija no kubakororwa butareja hamwe no kubombekeraho rutindo.
When I look in the file here, a lot has been done in the Budaka area.
Ati anu alingirire kumo mu mpapula je ebikoleberwe ko mu Budaka.
We did this road very early in our government. We did it and we have done it again. We have repaired it again. This road from Ageihangwe to Mbarara.
Abanange mwewukirya nte gavumenti yatuyambire okukola oluguudo luno kuzwembale okutuukira Kimena Kalama.
Then we have added the one of Tirinyi Parisa Kumi.
Waliwo oluguudo oluzwa Ebunyole Parisa.
Elva Tirinyi.
Sorry, ategeezera okuzwa Ebunyole, Tirinyi ne Parisa.
Then we have done the one from Parisa through Kamonkori to Mbare.
Then ne wabao olugudo oluzwire Parisa lubite Kamonkori ne lwabe Mbare.
And we are now going to do the one of Navmari, Butareja, up to Lamutumba on the other side.
Tuli ukola twaba ukola oluzwa enabumali ne lubite Butareja ne lwaba lutyo okubusoga.
So the roads we have done a good work.
Nolwekyo mwena mukiwona tokungudo tukolere kusa.
On the electricity work also has been done. The electricity has reached many of the areas.
Mwewukirya kusa intamasanyalaze gona tugezeryeko ugatuucha omu bitundu ebitali bimu.
Telephones, you all now have telephones in your pockets.
Ebikwatagano ku masimu njikirirya nti mwena muli n'amasimu mu nsawo gyanywe.
Then on the issue of water, I have seen some good work has been done on the water.
President Museveni yagamba hazindi ntunguke zikozurwe nko kurwanisa obworo bari kukozesa amataka make.
Those who listened are doing very well. I can give you example of Ijara of Serere.
Mzee Yakoba ntasobola okutuwaako ekyokuwonerako eri omuntu eyakolesere eitaka ly'ettono nasobola okuwoneka nti
he was earning more than 2 billion shillings. In a year, he's earning more than 2 billion shillings.
Awo obogeita geitire omwanka abafuna owumbi outaikansi wa usada.
So it is possible to get out of poverty.
Yagamba na Obwegyese kandi nagira mu manifesto ya NRM eby'Obwegyese nibabitwara kuba kikuru. Izoba rya nyincakare President Museveni naija kusiiba mu district ya Tororo hamwe na Butareja.